Welcome to this video tutorial on how to register with NSCC's accessibility services using our new system called Accommodate. You can log into Accommodate through www.nscc.ca or log in through your Brightspace portal. If you are asked to sign in, use your college-issued W number and your college password. When logging in, select Student. You will be taken to the main page. Use the left-hand menu to select Accommodation. Then, click on Accessibility Request. A fillable form will open. Enter your information into the form, then click on the blue Submit button at the bottom of the screen. You will receive an email to schedule a meeting once a student accessibility specialist has been assigned to you. For more information or support, contact accessibility services at your campus. You can also email accessibility.services@nscc.ca.